Hey guys, what's up? Sorry. So this part two, we're still putting glue.
Yeah, we had to wait 2 days. So while we're doing this,
While we're doing this, we're gonna be just doing this, and there's gonna be some music on, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's get started.
yeah. Okay, I wanna say this is enough. Do I add the?
No, you can't say enough because we're gonna put like music, so nada se van a escuchar solo music. So just wait until we're done.
No, not until we're done.
What?
Until we're like done pouring the glue.
I'm trying to make it glue.
Okay, yeah, So now we add the activator, and this is where we
No,
put
first we mix it.
the glue. First we mix the glue.
Glue, because like you know, yeah, we mix the glue, but I don't have no containers. I mean, no mixing things. Okay, don't do Karina. We're using these, okay? It's precious, but from the bottom.
Just got like water or something.
No more.
Okay, you choose which one did you want? Blue or not red or green?
I don't care.
Okay, so then I get red and then you get.
Mine's coming out like actually already come now.
Mine not.
It doesn't need to, because I still haven't put the actor. Let me put the color. Which color do you want to put? You need to put.
I'm red, so you're green.
Okay, so
I put the color.
how much do I want a light green or a dark green?
I'll just choose green. I don't know whichever one.
No, but like a dark green or a. Ooh, that's already a dark
When
green.
do we start talking?
Huh?
When do we start talking? Wait, we're done now.
Damn, we already put the. Okay.
No, this is where we take out the music. When we start writing.
So guys,
We're back, and I hope you enjoyed the music. You know your likes and your dislikes. So we
So
just
now
put that music.
we
So now we're adding the color, and I am doing. It's basically a competition. She's doing one of my friends, and I'm doing one of her friends. And
yeah. So to see like who likes it better, our friends are gonna say which one is the better. And I've made more slime than him. Well, I've made more slime than him. So yeah, I really don't know. I think I'm gonna win.
probably not.
Tell me if you do this. Like, let's see. No, don't tell me. So we're gonna mix it until there's no white.
No.
You don't need to get these whites. You just yeah. So mine, I already mixed mine very well. I don't know you still haven't poured some. Oh, that's gonna be a dark green.
Oh.
I mean red. Is this nice? How he wants it?
That's pretty.
Well, it's still gonna be a dark red one, even if you put a little dollars. So now,
Oh, the activator. Do I activate?
no, until you're done mixing it until like
Oh no, I have to go.
shit. I'll do the slimes and choir. I'll give them to you.
Okay, do not. When you're done, put it right in your backpack. Guys, I have to leave. So for the rest of the video, I am not gonna be part of this.
here.
So that you're
So-
doing your friends. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So please watch Expectation versus
Versus
reality.
Reality.
And did you did other video?
Which video?
Did you did other videos or
No.
only Expectation? She's gonna be making a lot of videos, a lot more. Please subscribe her and push the like button. And
Well, he's leaving.
so bye guys. Peace out. Oh, bye Millie. Quiet, remember please. 7:15. You have to be on 7:15, but go at 7 o'clock.
So I'm gonna mix this for him very well. So he left because he needed to go. And I'm doing these slimes and I'll give him in choir. If y'all didn't know, guys, I'm in choir. Say, guys. So then I'm gonna be mixing it. I'm gonna be mixing it. I'm gonna mix both. I'm trying to put this up together. I'm gonna put more, yes, more after. Just still some there. Yeah, I am put a lot of in here and a little bit right here. So those slimes are done, guys. Well, not this one, but this one is done, and this one is done, and the other ones, the red one is still not done. I'll be finishing it by now, but I really need to go. I need to go somewhere really bad. And thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, like my cousin said, and subscribe to his channel in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. You better subscribe. Well, you should. Well, you if you just want to, but really subscribe that button. I really would be happy if y'all did that. And thank you guys for watching. So bye. Just kidding. Well, bye. Just kidding, guys. I need to finish this one. Oh, it's nice. It's really nice. Okay, so this one is done. No, it's actually